The Noisefit Endure smartwatch is launched at a price of 3,999 rupees in India for the charcoal black and teal green version, while 4,499 rupees for the classic black and tan brown version. But is it the best cheap watch in the market? Let's find out. This stylish looking watch has a round dial with a TFT display. The strap is also good quality fused leather silicone. There is a single button on the right which takes you to the home screen, as well as it's also used to turn the watch off and on. Back here is the heart rate monitor. You can change the straps from here. This watch fits well in hand and looks sturdy and comfortable. The home screen has the applied watch face, which you can activate by double tapping it. You have to download the DaFit app by scanning here. Scanning the QR code from the settings connects you to the watch. There are 4 watch faces included in the watch. You can edit the third one by applying your customized picture. The 4th watch face takes you to the hundreds of watch faces on the app. There are multiple sports modes like walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, yoga, and workout. You can also view your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram messaging notifications here. Whichever you want to activate, you can select from the DaFit app. It also has the brightness control feature, which can be seen here. Here there is a Find My Phone option where your phone starts ringing once you click this. Here in the settings tab, there is stopwatch, the dial. The dial is the same watch faces. The reset is used to reset all functionality. Power off is used to turn off the device. The details about the watch and the QR code. It also shows the battery percentage and Bluetooth connectivity symbol. Here all the steps are counted. You can also view detailed information like number of steps, number of kilometers, and the calories burnt in the DaFit app. The heart rate monitor is pretty accurate here. You can get the beats per minute measurement and the analysis. Here you get information about the oxygen levels. Breathe option is linked to the stress levels or the personal breathing pattern. Here you get the latest weather updates in your region. It also tells weather for the next few days. This option lets you operate phone camera from watch using it as a shutter button. You can also control music on your phone from this watch. Here you can play, pause, play next, and play previous. You get a charger which is pretty much easier to connect to the watch. You cannot install third-party apps in the watch since it doesn't have Android Wear, but still it has great features which you can use in daily life. The touch of the watch is also good. At this price point, I feel it's one of the best smartwatches where you get all the great features, especially the 20-day battery life. The watch still stands between a smart band and a smart watch. Let me know in the comment section what you feel. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.